Good evening, I'm Will McAvoy, and this is the Daily Political Roundup. Remember to like and subscribe for more updates. Let's dive into today's top stories. In a groundbreaking move, California lawmakers have introduced a comprehensive slate of reparations bills, marking a first-in-the-nation effort. This package aims to address the long-standing impacts of slavery and systemic racism. Notably, the 14 measures proposed cover a broad spectrum, including education, civil rights, and criminal justice reforms. However, direct financial compensation for descendants of black slaves remains off the table. This initiative has sparked a debate about the true meaning of reparations and the challenges in implementing such policies. The coming weeks will see these bills being further fleshed out. Moving on, a federal judge has dismissed Disney's lawsuit against Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. Disney had alleged that the revocation of its special tax district privileges was in retaliation for opposing a law restricting classroom instruction on gender identity and sexual orientation. This ruling is seen as a victory for Governor DeSantis, heightening the ongoing battle over corporate power and freedom of speech. Disney has vowed to appeal, underlining the case's implications for the rule of law. In education news, the Biden administration is pushing forward with efforts to provide student debt relief. Following a Supreme Court decision that struck down a previous debt relief plan, the administration is now seeking to define financial hardship to expand loan forgiveness. This move could provide a lifeline to many borrowers, especially those facing economic challenges. The public will have a chance to comment on these proposals in a session scheduled for next month. In a significant legislative development, the House has passed a sweeping bipartisan tax bill aimed at expanding the child tax credit and reinstating certain tax cuts for businesses. The bill, a result of negotiations between House and Senate leaders, saw a substantial bipartisan vote of 357 to 70. Despite strong support in the House, the bill faces an uncertain future in the Senate, where it will need to overcome additional challenges. The proposed legislation includes an increase in the child tax credit over the next 3 years, tax benefits for disaster-affected individuals, and extensions of business tax breaks through 2025. However, the bill's provisions, particularly the expanded child tax credit, have faced criticism from both conservative and progressive lawmakers. Moving to Colorado, the Secretary of State has petitioned the Supreme Court to prevent former President Donald Trump from appearing on the Republican primary ballot. This case hinges on whether Trump's actions in 2020 amounted to engagement in insurrection as defined by the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. The outcome of this legal battle could set a precedent for election laws nationwide. Finally, in legal news, the Fulton County District Attorney and a special prosecutor have been subpoenaed in a hearing related to the criminal racketeering case against Donald Trump. The hearing seeks their disqualification from the case, raising questions about the impartiality of the proceedings. This latest twist adds complexity to the ongoing legal challenges surrounding the former president. That's all for tonight's Daily Political Roundup. Remember to like and subscribe for the latest in political news and analysis. I'm Will McAvoy. Good night.